Ndugamano igie mai kaunti-ini ya Murang'a no ithiete na mbere gutumura maoni matiganite kuma kuri atongoria kaunti-ini ino. Waica ikuhe gwikia muhwa wake ni mubunge wa Kandarali Swahome uria riu wendekithitie ngavana Mwangi wa Iria ethe uteithia makiria wa kibeca kuma kuri thirikari nene niguo kugaciria uheni wa mai kuri aikari ya kaunti ino.
We have appealed and we have called upon the governor to actually take the matter extremely seriously and also come up with ways of raising money through engagement of the national government, because in Murang'a people need water. They are not interested with who is bringing water.
Ritana ria mubunge uriukite thutha wa uhoro kumbuka ati fegi ya thi ni yehereirie kambuni ya MUWASCO uteithio wa muigana wa ciringi milioni 150 cia tabarira itiganite cia mai. Oho Wahome ni uritie minister wa mai Simon Chelugui aigirire na kunina ndugamano ino.
We need to ensure that water is cheaper in Murang'a, but we also need to do things within the law. And I think closing pipes, demolishing water catchment areas, throwing people to jail or beating women, that is not within the law. It's actually a form of impunity. And you cannot force things.
Muthenya wa ira ngavana wa Iria ni araugire ndaraguohio ni mukana wa minister wa mai egie murugamo wake wegie mai akinyeriria ati uramati wa mai wa Murang'a uri rungu rwa thirikari ya kaunti yake.
I won't tell Chelugui this is not his praying ground. Mount Kenya is not his praying ground. Over 70% of our people don't have safe clean drinking water.
Muthenya wa iyo minister wa mai neugire mundu o wothe ukunyitikana agithukangia mita cia mai ni egutacokirio makinya make watho undu uria wonekete kurarakira gavana wa Iria na njira nene.
Those in charge of security tumewaeleza na watatafutwa, na tukiwapata sheria tutawachukulia hatua.
He has actually got to come and direct apprehension, arrest of Murang'a people because of demanding for their water rights. My MCAs are being sought here by police. Executives are being sought by police. Consumers are being sought by police. When did Murang'a become a police state?
Mwena-ini wayo kambuni ya MUWASCO ni ugite ni karenga mai thibitari-ini nene ya Murang'a hamwe na wabici ya gavana agikorwo thirikari ya kaunti igakorwo irihite mathire mayo mothe. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Kamau wa Githĩnji.
Ngucanio ya thira ri Murang'a Ngai wa iguru utikuriho mai kana ciringi.